the decolonization agenda of the United Nations will remain incomplete without resolution of the long-festering dispute of Jammu and Kashmir, which is among the oldest items on the UN agenda, along with the dispute on Palestine. The right of the Kashmiri people to self-determination has been recognized and promised to them by the UN Security Council and by both India and Pakistan. But these people in occupied Kashmir still wait for the UN to fulfill its promise of holding a UN-supervised plebiscite to enable them to determine their political destiny. This represents, to our mind, the most persistent failure of the United Nations. India has for 70 years prevented the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir through force and through fraud from exercising their fundamental and inalienable right to self-determination. Instead, India has deployed tens of thousands of troops in occupied Kashmir to suppress the legitimate freedom struggle of the Kashmiri people. It uses all methods, from barbaric violence and extreme cruelty to fraudulent elections, to deprive the Kashmiris of their right to self-determination and perpetuate its unlawful occupation. India has also indulged in the worst form of state terrorism, a war crime, in using pellet guns against unarmed, peaceful protesters, leaving a generation of young Kashmiris blinded and maimed for life. This has been aptly described by the media as the first mass blinding in human history. But none of this has extinguished the Kashmiris' yearning and aspiration for freedom from occupation. The people of Jammu and Kashmir continue to wage the struggle for their right to self-determination with courage and with conviction. And contrary to Indian claims, Jammu and Kashmir never was and never can be an integral part of India. It is disputed territory, the final status of which has yet to be determined in accordance with several resolutions of the UN Security Council. Mr. Chairman, similarly, in the Middle East, the tragedy of Palestine has intensified. The continued denial of the right to self-determination of the Palestinian people is the core underlying cause of conflict, and it is a grave impediment to lasting and enduring peace in the Middle East. Continuation of the illegal policy of settlement construction is progressively eroding the future state of Palestine from within. Pakistan will continue to support the just struggle of the Palestinian people for freedom. A strong and viable state of Palestine is the only guarantor of peace in the region.